बाहर की फिल्में देखा करता था, तो उसमें जब भी ब्रश करने का शॉट होता था या सुबह सुबह ऐसा कोई सीन होता था, तो ब्रश करने के बाद यूजुअली एक ग्लास लेके वो कुल्ला कर देते थे। वो मुझे कभी समझ में नहीं आता था, क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ इतना एबंडेंस में है पानी, तो नलका चलता रहता है, ब्रश करते रहते हैं, नलका चलता रहता है। तो मुझे ये फिल्म से पहले हुआ कि जब मुझे समझ में आया कि पानी जैसे कि कूड़ा नहीं फेंकना चाहिए, उसी तरीके से पानी को भी कंजर्व करना चाहिए, तो बड़ी दिक्कत हुई शुरू, क्योंकि आपको आदत पड़ चुकी है उस फ्लो की। जैसे अगर आपको शावर के नीचे आदत पड़ चुकी है नहाने की, तो आप एक्चुअली आधी बाल्टी पानी से नहा सकते हैं बहुत अच्छे से, लेकिन आप नहाते इसलिए नहीं है क्योंकि वो फिर आपको आपकी हैबिट चेंज होती है। और इस फिल्म के बाद मुझ में एक बहुत बड़ा बदलाव है। मैंने पानी के बारे में जाना, और एक चीज मैंने बिल्कुल पक्की कर दी है, नाउ आई ड्रिंक मीट, आई डोंट मिक्स वाटर।
यू नो, आई डोंट थिंक ऐसे कॉन्शियस लेवल पे आप सोचना शुरू करते हैं कि मैं पानी बचाऊंगा, बट आई थिंक सबकॉन्शियसली जब आप इस तरह की जगह में रहते हैं और आपको रियलाइज होता है कि पानी एक्चुअली करेंसी है कई जगहों पे, और लोग मतलब चीजें खरीदते और बेचते हैं पानी के लिए, तो सबकॉन्शियसली आपको इफेक्ट करना शुरू कर देता है। और मुझे लगता है ऑटोमेटिकली, जैसे सौरभ जी कह रहे थे कि आप जब शावर के नीचे होते हैं आप पानी बंद कर देते हैं, जब नलके चल रहे होते हैं आप उसके ऊपर ध्यान देते हैं, तो एक सबकॉन्शियसली आपके अंदर ऑटोमेटिकली एक ट्रिगर बन जाता है जो आपको हमेशा रिमाइंड करता रहता है कि ये गलत है।
एक जस्ट एड ऑन टू दैट, एक बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग सा मुद्दा है कि you know, even actors, you know, they said, is it about the future of India? You know, if the film is futuristic, you know, जैसे शेखर कपूर बना रहे हैं कि 50 साल के बाद मुंबई क्या होगा, तो मैंने कहा कि ये सिचुएशन अब है। So one of the interesting part of the film is, although the story I have driven from Western Odisha, but the elements which is there in the films are from different parts of the country. So one of the part is when you see this village Parcel, which is right here, you know, in Vidarbha district. You know, there are a lot of village which had the hoarding saying that village Parcel because there was no water, there was farmer suicide, a lot of things. You know, in Bundelkhand if you go, you know, there are like hundreds of farmers committing suicide because of this. And there is a very recent story, both in Madhya Pradesh and in Maharashtra, where the man went and married 3 times just to fetch water because the water is quite far. He said, the only way I can get water is if I have 2-3 women who will fetch water for me. So this is present India. Forget about the other country, what is happening, you know.
Hi, my question is to Meena. Of course, this is a story from a region where you belong to. You have got the accents and everything. There is also one song, the Rangapati song, which has been used in the film, but it's in Hindi, for which you've kind of received a lot of flack. Would you like to explain what was the reason behind it? How do you see the criticism?
Well, I'm somebody who is out of, you know, I hate controversy, you know, all those stuff, but the song came into you. When you think of, you know, I grew up with that song called Rangapati. It comes from my region, and when we, you know, Deepak Venkatesan was the writer, when we started writing, there was one point of time when there is a celebration of rice. So, you know, forget about Odisha only, go to Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, anywhere, celebration of rice, new rice is a big thing. So the first thing comes in mind to celebrate that is a song. Song what? Which we have been hearing for last 4-5 decades. You know, we've been like living with that song. That's how Rangapati comes into the film. And of course it's not, you know, you'd say, I'm not putting the original Rangapati, it is inspired from Rangapati. You know, it's like a similar milieu, you know, in terms of the lyrics, you know, the music, you know, beautiful lyrics which is written by Pratik Majumdar. It's about a beautiful woman and her connotation with the water, the land, the green, the rice, everything, and how we celebrate in front of the God.
Also, I have a question for the entire cast here. The film gives a very strong message of how it's important to conserve water and respect the abundance we have today. In similar spirit, the government of India is trying to request people to give up the LPG subsidy so that they could help the needy and poor. I want a reaction from each of you, if possible.
You mean, are we going to make another film on LPG?
I don't know, but I would just like you to react on.
Obviously, there are many social causes, and it's not one. The government is saying LPG, yes. I mean, people who have the pipelines now. You know, we all had cylinders. But most of us now have in big cities, we have the pipelines, we are getting the gas, so we should give away the, and if there is a subsidy, like if one earns that much that you don't need it, then it will be used for somebody else. So obviously it should be done. And I'll tell you that it's not that Indians do not want to give that up. This subsidy in a personal life is not too much. It's just pure lethargy. That we think कि यार कौन किसको फोन करेगा, फिर पता नहीं कौन आएगा, फिर बिल मांगेगा, फिर बोलेगा यार आपने कैसे ली थी, फिर वो करेगा. I mean, these are the things because of which we step back. Otherwise, I don't think that anybody should have any problem in giving up the subsidy.
That's right. Kunal?
Yeah, like he said, I mean, I don't think there's any question that we would have a problem giving it up, because if you're making enough money and you're earning well, you want the wealth, you want to make it easier for other people. But the processes have to be easier. I think once the processes are in place and they're really easy and really simple to follow, I don't see, I think most people would not have a problem doing that. I wouldn't for sure. And I think most people around me wouldn't for sure either. So yeah, I think if the processes are easy and simple, I think, there's no reason that people should have a reservation about it.
Gulshan sir?
Tell us about the music also. How many songs are there?
और चुप.
अरे one second. Sir, can you just react to that?
3 लोग रह गए. पहली बात तो ये कि बिल्कुल जिसके पास रिसोर्सेज हैं उसे सब्सिडी में कुछ भी नहीं लेना चाहिए. सिर्फ गैस ही क्यों? मैं तो खैर लेता ही नहीं हूँ. और जो लोग ले रहे हैं उनकी लिस्ट मेरे पास भेजिए, मैं सब ठीक कर दूंगा.
Well, I don't have anything new to say. I do agree with that. I personally think that people should give up the subsidies, but I think there are mixed reasons why people sort of tend to delay the process of doing that. One, I think sometimes you just need a long time to get convinced because subsidy is a discount of some sorts. So that is one. And secondly, yes, the system is very painful. So I think that's more or less what.
Well,
You can answer.
something really hurt me always is when I see people eating and leave food, If you don't eat that much, you should not take. And the whole idea of give it up is a very interesting concept, that any of us who has extra clothes, extra food, extra gas, whatever, we should give it up. And coming back to music, somebody just asked.
Yeah.
We have
One thing, I'll just before we start about music, just to add to this thing, though it is not related with the film. अभी जब ये जो सब्सिडी देने की बात हो रही है ना कि give up the subsidy, we should not. हम लोगों को राशन कार्ड की जरूरत नहीं है. We don't buy rice, sugar on a rationing basis. But please, अगर आप लोग पहुंचा सके तो पहुंचाइए कि भाई चक्कर क्या है कि अगर मैं राशन कार्ड छोड़ दूंगा ना तो पासपोर्ट छोड़िए, मतलब मेरी जिंदगी बंद हो जाती है. तो फिर जबरदस्ती एक राशन कार्ड मैंने रखा हुआ है. तो ये जो जबरदस्त लोग ये भी डर जाते हैं कि यार कल को मेरे को गैस का कनेक्शन मुझसे पूछ लिया गया तो मैं क्या करूंगा यार. So it's not a simple thing. It's not as easy as कि भाई आप लोग give up कर दीजिए. Give up करवाइए ना तो आप चीजें उतनी simple कर दीजिए ना.
That's right. That's right.
मेरी समझ में नहीं आता है कि पासपोर्ट जो है that is the only document which proves everything. मैं वो पासपोर्ट लेके जाता हूँ, लोग पासपोर्ट नहीं लेते हैं.
आधार कार्ड.
वो कहते हैं आधार कार्ड है नहीं तो कहते हैं राशन कार्ड लेके आओ. क्या मतलब है यार?
Radhika, you have portrayed urban characters in your film recently in Badlapur and so on. So how did you prepare for this rural character which you have done in this film?
Well, I don't have a distinction between rural and urban, so black and white distinction anyway. So I think every character is different, and the preparation for every character, whether it's rural, urban, whatever, is different. But still, if you want to stick the rural to it, I've played rural characters before. So I think what was different was that it was from a different region, so it had a different history to it and different culture to it. So I think this was him who sort of briefed me, and my preparation involved that.
And you recently entered into television.
I haven't entered television. I did one telefilm with Anurag Basu, and I'm very proud of that. And that's it for now.
But for the fact that your films, if we see the past two films, Badlapur and Hunter,